All right, guys, we got us a 2014 Chevy 5.3 liter V8 workhorse of a truck. What we got done on it, like usual, factory converters. There, and a third converter there. But you know what? The new Chevys don't come with it, so we can true duel them again. I love it. She brought her own muffler. It was a Super 40 series, part number 952446. Right there, as you guys can see. Then we had to add the section of pipe. Then we kept the resonator on it. She didn't want it too loud. And there's the 5-inch black tip we supplied. There'll be a link in the description for both. Right there, just to complete the look of it. There's the Flowmaster. There's the tip. There's the old muffler that was on it that we cut off right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. What do you think? Again? You want it louder? Yeah. We can take the resonator off. It'll be another 75. You want to do it? Okay. Again? Okay, again. There's sound decibels with the resonator on. Again. Right at 85. So we're gonna take the resonator off. She wants it a little bit louder. All right, guys, round two. So we still got everything the same. Cats are right there. 14 Chevy Silverado. Third cat right there. Flowmaster Super 40 right there. But look, we're missing the resonator now. So it was like sound decibels 85 before. There's the 5-inch tip. There's the muffler. We knocked out the resonator. I don't know where you put it. Oh well. And we'll let you guys hear it again. Much better. That's what it should have sounded like. There we go. That's perfect. Super 40. Again. Right at 90. Yeah, it added 5 more decibels. That's perfect. And that's sitting still. Imagine when you give it gas. Like when you get on it, you know? Yeah, it's so much better. Beautiful. Super 40 Flowmaster. Let you guys hear on the inside.